Before the day begins, the horizon glows with quiet gold. The world hasn't woken yet, but I feel it, the promise of light rising beneath the surface of everything. Lord, you never hurry the dawn. You let it unfold softly, completely, like grace remembering its way home. And I stand here in the hush, heart open, eyes lifted, ready to begin again. The light grows stronger, and every shadow becomes a story of where you've already been. Lord, I used to fear the dark. I thought it meant you were far away. But now I see, the dark was only the canvas where your mercy painted morning. You said, I am the light of the world, and you are. Because of you, I can face this day without running, without hiding, without doubt. Even the places still dim are full of your promise. Now the sun is fully awake, every surface gleams, every color breathes. Lord, you are not just around me, you are within me. Your light fills the cracks, the questions, the corners of my heart where fear once lived. I am not waiting anymore. I am walking in what has already come. Because the light has not only returned, it remains, and so do I. As the morning settles, I ask for your covering, Lord. Let your peace go with me today and rest upon those I love. Shine upon every weary heart, every worried mind, every soul that forgets how close you really are. Wrap them in the same light that woke this day. And through the grace of Jesus, the light that never fades, let our lives carry your warmth wherever we go. Amen. If this prayer brought you peace, share what the light means to you today. Write your gratitude, your hope, your prayer below. Together, we live in the light that never leaves.